How to move photos to iCloud storage. Let's get started. If your iPhone is running out of space, moving your photos to iCloud is a great way to free up storage while still keeping your photos safe. Launch your settings. At the top, you're going to find your Apple ID. Click on that. Now, navigate to the option of iCloud. Open it. Here, you're going to find this section of apps using iCloud. Click on the option of Photos. Before moving your photos, make sure you have enough iCloud storage. If you are running low on space, you can tap on Manage Account Storage and upgrade to a higher storage plan. Then you can enable for this option, Sync to this iPhone. Now you have two options for managing your photo storage. You can choose Optimize iPhone Storage, which will keep small thumbnails on your phone and store the full resolution versions in iCloud. This is perfect if you want to save space on your device. Alternatively, you can tap Download and Keep Originals, which will store the full resolution photos on your both phone and iCloud, but it will take more space on your iPhone. And that's it. Your photos are now safely stored in iCloud. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.